Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear children, today I will be teaching mathematics for class 10th. The topic is statistics part 3 of 6. In the previous class, we have learnt about how to find the mean of grouped data by different methods. One is direct method, another one is assumed mean method, and another one is step deviation method. Today, let us learn how to find mode of grouped data. Now, to find the mode of the grouped data, you should know the formula first. Mode is calculated using the formula mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Model class interval having more number of frequency is called the model class. Here L stands for lower limit of model class. F1 is frequency of model class. F0 is frequency of the class preceding to the model class. F2 is frequency of the class succeeding to model class. To understand how to find the model class, let us take one problem. Find the mode of the following frequency distribution. Here class and frequency are given. Here class is 15 to 20, frequency is 3, 20 to 25, frequency is 8, 25 to 30, frequency is 9, 30 to 35, frequency is given 10, 35 to 40, frequency is 3, and 40 to 45, the frequency is 2. To find the mode, we have to prepare a table. Now, let us know how to find the F0, F1 and F2. Here model class, is that class which has maximum number of frequency. Now, here frequency is given is like this 3, 8, 9, 10, 3 and 2. Out of this frequency, 10 is the highest. Therefore, the class which has 10 is 30 to 35. Therefore, 30 to 35 is known as the model class. Therefore, the frequency represented by the model class is represented by F1. Therefore, F1 is equal to 10 here. Then F0 is the frequency of the class preceding to the model class, that is 9 here. And F2 is the frequency of the model class succeeding to the model class, that is 3 here. Therefore, here model class is 30 to 35, F1 is 10, F0 is 9 and F2 is 3. Now, to find the mode, now we already know the formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L stands for the lower limit of the model class. Here which is the model class? 30 to 35. Which is the lower limit? 30. Therefore, in the place of L you have to substitute 30. Now, F1 is nothing but the frequency of the model class. Here it is 10. Now, substitute 10 here minus F0 is nothing but frequency of the model class preceding to the model class. Therefore, here F0 is 9. Substitute 9 there divided by 2 into F1. F1 is 10, therefore, 2 into 10 minus F0 is 9, F2 is 3, substitute there. Here H stands for the class width. Now, 25 to 20, there are 5 numbers. Therefore, the H value, that is the 5, you have to substitute here. Now, let us simplify now. 30 write as it is. Now, 10 minus 9 becomes 1. From 1, now in the denominator 2 into 10, 20. From 20 you have to subtract 9 and 3, 12. If you subtract 20 minus 12, you will get 8. Write 1 by 8 into H value is 5, write 5 as it is. Now, you will get 30 plus 5 divided by 8, you will get 0.625. Now, you have to add 30 plus 0.625, the answer becomes 30.625. This is the mode of the given problem. Now, let us go to the second problem. The mode of the following frequency distribution is 36. Find the missing frequency. Here class are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. The frequency given are 8, 10, F, 16, 12, 6, 7. Now, we have to find the value of the missing frequency F. Now, let us know how to find the frequency now. Now, in this given problem, mode is already given 36. Now, we have to find what is the F1, F0 and F2 and H in this problem. Now, here first of all you have to find the median class now. Now, here you have to find the median class, median class. Now, median class is that one which has highest number of frequency. Now, in this problem the highest frequency is given as 16. Therefore, the median class becomes 30 to 40, 30 to 40. Now, let us go on substituting in the formula what are the given values. Mode is already given 36. I will substitute here 36 equal to L, lower limit of the modal class, that is 30. Now, write 30 here plus here F1 is nothing but this is the highest frequency which is having highest frequency, that is known as the F1. Here F1 is value is 16 and F0 value is F only and F2 value is 12. This is the F2 value. Now, in this table I have noted here F1 is 16 and F0 is the preceding one, that is F only, and F2 is the succeeding to the median class, that is 12. Now, let us substitute in the formula. Now, F1 is 16 here, write 16 here minus F0 is F here, substitute F here only, divided by 2 into F1. The F1 is 16, then 2 F1 becomes 16 into 2, directly I will write it as 12 minus F0 value is F only, write F here directly as it is. Now, F2 value is given as 12. Now, look here once again, F1 value is 16, return 16, and F0 value is F, write F here, down 2 F1, 2 into 16, 32, F0 value is already given F only, write F here, minus F2 value is 12, write 12, into H is nothing but the size of the class 0 to 10, there are 10 numbers, therefore, size of the class becomes 10. Write 10 here. Now, let us simplify now, 36 equal to, write 30 as it is, plus here 16 minus F, write as it is, 16 minus F. In the denominator, you can subtract 32 and 12. 32 minus 12 becomes 20, write here 20 minus F. Afterwards, 10 into 10 is there, write into 10. Now, I will bring 30 towards the left side, then it becomes 36 minus 30 equal to 16 minus F divided by 20 minus F multiplied by 10. Now, you will get 36 minus 30, you will get 6 here. 6 is equal to 16 minus F divided by 20 minus F multiplied by 10. Now, let us move to the next part. Now here you have to, I will change this 10 towards the down. I will divide by 10 both side, then you will get 6 by 10 equal to 16 minus f divided by 20 minus f. Now cross multiply, you will get 16 minus f into 10. You are multiplying like this, cross multiplication. Now 6 into 20 minus f is equal to 10 into 16 minus f. Now multiply 6 into 20, 120 minus 6f equal to 10 into 16, 160. 160 here you will get minus 10f. Now bring all f one side and numbers another side. Now I will bring 10f towards the left side, then it become 10f minus 6f is equal to 160 minus 120. 160 minus 120. Now subtract 10f minus 6f, you will get 4f. 4f is equal to 160 minus 120 becomes 40. That implies f is equal to 40 by 4, that is equal to 10. So the value of missed frequency is 10 here. Now we have got the value f is equal to 10, that is the missed frequency value. Now let us move to the third problem. The third problem is given like this. The following table shows the marks obtained by 100 students of class 10th. Find the mode mass of this distribution. Here marks obtained less than 10, number of students is 7, less than 20, 21, less than 30, 34, less than 40, 46, less than 50, 66, less than 60, 77, less than 70, 92, less than 80, 100. Now the given distribution is not in the form of frequency distribution. So first of all you have to convert the given data as frequency distribution table. Now less than 10 is there, therefore the first frequency class interval should be 0 to 10. 0 to 10, next class becomes 10 to 20, next 20 to 30, next 30 to 40, next 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Now we already know that less than 10 there are 7 students are there, therefore 0 to 10 you have to write 7. Next less than 21 boys are there, out of that already 7 is less than 10. So the range 10 to 20 becomes 21 minus 7, then you will get 14 students are there in this group. Next 20 to 30, less than 30, 34 students are there. From 34, 21 already over, subtract 21 from 34, you will get 13 boys are there in this group. 30 to 40, now 46 minus 34 you do, you will get 12. Similarly 40 to 50 you will get 20 students, 50 to 60 11 students, 60 to 70 15 students, 70 to 80 8 students are there. Now you have to find the mode. So first of all you have to find the which is the model class. Model class is nothing but having the highest number of frequency here. Therefore here 20 is the highest frequency, therefore the model class is 40 to 50. Now therefore f1 becomes 20, f0 becomes 12 and f2 becomes 11 and h is the size of the class becomes 10. Now, let us substitute the values in the formula. Mode is nothing but L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L is the lower limit of the model class. Here model class is 40 to 45. So, the lower limit is 40. Now, instead of L, substitute 40 plus F1 value is 20, substitute there 20, F0 value already tabulated there 12, substitute 12 here, divided by 2 F1 is there. F1 is already 20, therefore 2 F1 becomes 2 into 20 becomes 40, write 40, and F0 value is 12, substitute there, and F2 value is 11. Then bracket close. Now, H is the size of the class, here 10, write 10, that becomes 40 plus, now 20 minus 12 becomes 8, and H value is 10, therefore, in the numerator you will get 8 into 10. Let us simplify the denominator. From 40 you have to subtract 12 and 11, totally you have to subtract 23. Now, if you subtract, you will get 17. Therefore, 40 plus 80 divided by 17, if you divide 80 by 17, you will get 4.71. Then you have to add 40 plus 4.71, the answer becomes 44.71. This is the mode of the given data, 44.71 is the mode. Now, today we have learnt how to find the mode of the grouped data. On this, I will give some assignment. Now, take your notebook and copy. There are 2 sums, and I will assume that you will prepare the answers for the next session. Now, in this class, we have learnt how to find the mode of grouped data. In the next session, we are going to learn how to find the median of the grouped data. Thank you all. Jai Sai Ram.